Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an employee schedule in Google Sheets with Claude AI. In this quick walkthrough, you'll use Claude to help generate a simple starting point for an employee schedule in Google Sheets. This is a helpful way to speed up planning, especially if you want a template or a structured idea before building out the final schedule in your spreadsheet. To begin, open Claude and start a new chat. Make sure you're on the new chat page so you can enter a fresh request without any previous conversation affecting the response. Starting with a clean chat can help keep the results focused and relevant to the task you want to complete. Once you're in the new chat, the next step is to enter a sample prompt asking Claude to help create an employee schedule in Google Sheets. You can keep your prompt clear and direct. For example, ask Claude to create a weekly employee schedule layout for Google Sheets, or to suggest a schedule template with employee names, shift times, and days of the week. The more specific your wording is, the more useful the output is likely to be. After typing in your prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a response based on your request. This response can give you a framework to work from, such as a table structure, scheduling ideas, or suggested categories that you can later place into Google Sheets. If you're planning to use the output in a real schedule, it's a good idea to review it carefully and make adjustments based on your staffing needs, shift patterns, and business hours. As you do this, remember that AI is most useful as a drafting assistant. It can save time by organizing information and giving you a strong starting point, but you'll still want to check that the final schedule fits your team's availability and any workplace rules or preferences. That's all there is to this process. You start a new chat in Claude, enter a prompt, requesting help with an employee schedule for Google Sheets, and submit it. From there, you can use the generated content as the basis for building your spreadsheet. With a clear prompt and a little review, this can be a fast and practical way to begin creating a schedule more efficiently.